All three scrubbers are built off of the same main frame. And let's go through some of those features now. First of all, the path of the water. Water is introduced to the scrubber through a trap door here in the front, and then fills the entire base of the machine, giving it stability all the way around the base. The recovery tank sits on top of that and keeps the water perfectly balanced, whether it's in clean mode or in recovery mode itself. Below the clean fill tank is where the machines differentiate by size. What you find at first, of course, is our breakaway shroud with two counter-rotating pad drivers or brushes. The advantage, of course, to counter-rotating brushes is it allows us to bring the slurry or the solution we're cleaning right to the middle of the machine where we have optimal recovery with our vac shoes and back. The 24-inch machine, as you can see, sticks out just a bit over the edge of the side of the machine. The difference between the three scrubbers is only in the size of the brushes, the size of the squeegee, and the size of this shroud you see in front of you today. So the 24, the 26, and the 28-inch scrubber from this point up are identical. Features common to all three of the FANG 24 and 26-inch and 28-inch scrubbers are rotationally molded plastic with 12-year guarantees on the units, stacked tanks for weight stability and long life, battery cavity located inside, completely sealed cavity with a piano hinge running the length of the tanks for long life. Vac motor, three-stage vac motor attached directly to the bottom of the tank as opposed with hoses, no bends, no wands, no loss of airflow as a result. If you'll notice here, the tank slopes to its lowest point at the junction with the solution drain hose. So the ability to drain the tank and keep it clean and hygienic is improved. Let's take a look at the back of the FANG 24, 26, and 28. Again, all three units are exactly the same in terms of the features in the back, with the exception of the squeegee, which we'll talk about in just a second. In terms of controls, it's the friendliest scrubber on the market, with all controls for the operator within hand's reach. From power to vac motor to brush power. No brushes are turning yet, as I haven't pulled the lever for forward motion and to turn the brushes and to dispense water. Water solution, and finally adjustable pad pressure that allows us with the push of a button to raise or lower that pad pressure from a light duty cleaning application all the way up to 150 pounds of lockdown down pressure for deep scrubbing, stripping applications. Other features that are common on the back of the unit include our simple squeegee lowering mechanism, which is a simple handle with a short stroke, completely variable water control, both forward motion for the scrubber as well as reverse for the scrubber. So you have that ability to drive the unit in any direction. Finally, there are times in scrubbing where we need to really scrub deeply and move very slowly, other times where we simply want to transport quickly. We have a completely variable speed control at the dial of your index finger. In addition, we have two convenience features worth mentioning on our unit. We have an adjustable console that lets us drop the operator console down so that they're for varying heights of your operator, of course. And within my hand here, we have an additional squeegee blade that we've rounded, put in a round ball and dropped on the back of the squeegee. Squeegee is the first thing to go in application out in the field, and usually at the most inconvenient time. The fact that it's with the unit allows the operator to get back in operation very quickly with little downtime. That squeegee we were talking about is the best squeegee design on the market today. A no tools change squeegee for both the front blade and the back blade, with a heavy cast aluminum shoe that channels the water to the middle of the squeegee blade through physics and then brings it up through our drain hose straight up into the recovery tank. In closing, the VIPER FANG 24, 26, and 28-inch scrubbers offer high productivity from 24,000 square feet an hour up to 28,000 square feet an hour, fully adjustable applications for cleaning with adjustable pad pressure, and the best warranty in the business. Try out a FANG 24, 26, or 28 today.